In this video, I am going to teach you how to import all your Trello boards into ClickUp in just a few clicks. This is super helpful if you're moving your team to ClickUp. Let's get started. Go to clickup.com and sign into your account. Make sure you're using the workspace where you want your Trello boards to be imported. Click your profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. This will open your personal account settings. Click Settings in the drop-down menu that appears. Here you can adjust your account and workspace preferences. Scroll down until you see the Import-Export section, then click it. This is where you can bring in data from other tools. Click Start Import to open the Import wizard. This will guide you through the next steps. Choose Trello from the list of available tools, then click Continue. This will connect ClickUp to your Trello account. A new tab will pop up asking for permissions. Just click Allow to give ClickUp access to your Trello boards. And that's how you import Trello to ClickUp. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more quick tutorials. See you next time!